Hello guys, I wish you are doing well. This grade 6 final revision worksheet for end semester 3 year 2023-2024. Let us start. First question, find the area of the parallelogram. Area of parallelogram equals base times height. To determine base and height, they have to be perpendicular, like T or L. Okay, so here the base is 10 and the height is 5. So simply multiply 10 times 5. The answer will be 50 square inches. So the answer is 50 square inches. Each small square in the figure below measures 1 foot on each side. What is the area of the parallelogram? As we said, area of parallelogram is base times height. So count the base: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The base length 7 feet and the height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 feet. So simply multiply area equal base times height. So it would be 7 times 4, which is 28 square feet. What is the area of the triangle? Area of triangle equals base times height divided by 2. Here base is given 9 and the height is 4. It will be 9 times 4 divided by 2. You can simplify. So it will be 18 square inches. What is the area of the rhombus? If the base is 13 meter and the height is 12 meters. Actually, area of rhombus is the half of product of its two diagonals or base times height as parallelogram. Here given base and the height, so just multiply area equals 13 times 12. You can multiply 13 times 12, which equals 156 square meters. Find the area of the parallelogram. Area of parallelogram, base times height. Base is 21, height is 15. So multiply 21 times 15 to get the area, which equals 315 square centimeters. The surface area of the square pyramid below. Surface area of a square pyramid can be given by 2bh plus square of b. What is b? B is base and h is height. Okay, so here we have the base is 10 and the height is 18. Just substitute. So 2 times 10 times 18 plus square of 10. 2 times 10 times 18, 360, plus square of 10 is 100. So total is 460. So the right answer is 460 square centimeter. The triangular prism has how many faces? It has 5 faces. 3 of them are rectangles and 2 bases which are triangles. So we have 5 faces. What is the median of the data? The median is a value which exactly in the middle, but we need to arrange them first, from least to greatest or from greatest to least. So we'll arrange here. The first one will be 26, then 28, then 35, then 42, then 44, 61, 62. The one which is exactly in the middle is 42. So the median is 42. What about if we have even number of values? For example, if we have only 26, 28, 35, 42, 44, 61. At this case, we have even number. So you will count to find which in the middle. We have two values in the middle. We'll find their mean. We'll add them and then divide them by 2. It will be 77 divided by 2, which is 38.5. The rectangular prism has how many vertices? We can count here. We have 8 vertices. So the rectangular prism has 8 vertices. Use the data shown in the table to find the mean of low temperature forecasted for the 5 days. We have to add these values, then divide them by 5 because we have 5 days. The mean is the sum of all values divided by the number of the values. So we'll add this all. It's 42 plus 44 plus 45 plus 34 plus 40 divided by 5, which is 205 divided by 5 equals 41. So the mean is 41. The range of the data is, the range is the difference between the greatest and least values. The greatest value is 55, the least value is 5, so 55 minus 5, which equals 50. So the answer is 50. The median, as we said before, the value which is exactly in the middle, but after arranging the values. So we'll arrange these values. It will be 16, 17, 41, 45, 47, 53, then 55. So the value which is exactly in the middle is 45. So the median here is 45. The mode is the most repeated number, or the value which occurs most often. We can find 65 repeated 3 times and 77 repeated 2 times. Which is most? Of course, 65. So the mode here is 65. The surface area of the triangular pyramid. We said before, surface area of a square pyramid is 2ph plus square b, but here surface area only 2ph because we have only 4 faces, each in a shape of a triangle. So b is 6 and the h is 10. The height is 10 and the base is 6. So multiply 2 times 6 times 10, which equals 120 square centimeter. The baseball pitcher won 80% of the game he pitched. If he pitched 35 ball games, how many games did he win? At this question, we need to find the part. 80% of 35. We have two ways. You can solve this using decimals or using fractions. As fraction, it's 80 over 100 times 35 over 1. So we can simplify, divide by 20, it has 4, divide by 20, it has 5, and then divide here by 5 is 1, divide by 5 is 7, so 4 times 7 equals 28. The answer is 28 games. Saleh got $90 for his birthday. He spent $27. What percent of 90 is 27? Actually, percent given by part over total times 100 to be percent. So the part here is 27 and the total is 90. Then multiply this by 100. You can simplify, divide by 10, then divide by 9. It has 3, divide by 9, it has 1. So 3 times 10, which is 30. So the answer is 30%. What is 36% of 600? 36 over 100 multiply by 600 over 1. You can divide by 100. So this one, this 6. Now multiply 36 times 6. The answer will be 260. So the answer is 260. Find the area of the triangle given below. The area of triangle equal base times height divided by 2. So it's 19 times 12 divided by 2. Simplify. 19 times 6 equals 114. What shape can be made using the net shown? Actually, we have 5 faces. 3 of them are rectangles and 2 bases in a shape of triangles. So this is prism. But which prism? It has a base in a shape of triangle. So it's a triangular prism. Which question is a statistical question? A statistical question is a question which collecting data. It means it has different answers. We are using statistical questions to make a survey or to collect data. So we have here the question, which is your favorite color? Is a statistical question. The area of the triangle given below is 39 meters square. Is it right? area equal base times height divided by 2. So it's a 13 times 6 divided by 2. We can simplify. So 13 times 3 equals 39. So the answer is true. What is Ali's birthday? Is a statistical question. Actually, this question we are not using to collect data or to make any survey. So the answer is false. Each day, Omar spends 25% of his salary. If Omar earns $56 a day, he spends $14. 25 over 100 times 56 over 1. You can simplify. So it would be here 1, here 4, then here divide by 4, 1, divide by 4, it's 14. The answer is 14, which is true. The range of the data set is 50. The range is the difference between greatest and least. The greatest here is 83 and least is 30. So it's 83 minus 30 equal 53, not 50. So the answer is false. The mode of the data set is 40. The most repeated number here is 36. So the answer is false. Surface area of the square pyramid. We said before, surface area of the square pyramid can be given by 2bh plus square b, such as b is the base and the h is the height. Substitute, it will be 2 times 8 times 12 plus square of 8, which is 2 times 8 times 12 is 192, and h square is 64. Add these, it will be 256 square centimeter. So we can write this here, 256. The front of Mr. Ahmed's house is in the shape of a triangle. The area is 24 square meter and the base is 6 meters. Find the height of the house. Area of triangle equal base times height divided by 2. But we need to find height. So we need to make height alone. To undo dividing by 2, we'll multiply both sides by 2. So 2 of area equal base times height. Still we need to find height alone. So to undo multiplying by base, we'll divide base in both sides. So now we have height equals 2 area divided by base. You can use this formula. Also, base equals 2a divided by h in case we need the base. Now we need the height, given the area is 24 and the base is 6. So height equals 2 times 24 divided by 6. You can simplify. Divide by 6 is 1, divide by 6 is 4. So 2 times 4 equals 8 meters. The answer is 8 meters. This morning, Albert took a history test. He got 76 problems right and 19 problems wrong. What percentage did Albert get right? First step, we need to find the total. Total here is 76 plus 19, which is 95. Percent equals part divided by total times 100%. The same percentage of right. So it's 76 over 95 times 100%, which equals 80%. So the answer is 80%. Thanks for watching. And if you have any problem or any question, don't hesitate to contact me or write a comment below. See you.